Love's Corner. I'm Lavanya Dutt. Today I'm going to share pizza recipe without oven or microwave. We can make this pizza in pressure cooker. I'm going to make this with capsicum and paneer with a smoky taste. So without any delay, let's get into the recipe. And also I wanted to share one more thing about this dining table. This table, how I turned an old table into an art piece. To know the journey of this table, I am going to share the link below. You can subscribe to my art channel if you are interested to watch any of my art videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified for my every new upload. Till we meet in our next video. Until then, bye bye.